Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Thank you for joining me in SpringWatch. If you don't know what it is, it's 14 video projects coming out to you every single day, back to back to back to back. And it's for 14 days. Obviously focusing on the spring and summer catalogue and celebration brochure. And every single day of the 2 weeks, I'm doing a different giveaway every single day. And today I am giving away the stamp set Sure Do Love You and the matching Lots to Love box framelets that go with it, because that's what I'm using in today's project. All you have to do is leave a comment on my blog or on my YouTube video here, and you will get one entry into the draw, so there's no purchase necessary. And if you do make an order today, you will get 5 entries into my draw, and I will do the draw after the after SpringWatch is finished. I can only send these products to 5 of our countries, and that's where you can place an order from. The UK, the Netherlands, Austria, France and Germany. If you happen to be a winner who is drawn from one of the other countries, I can send you some something handmade by me, but I can't send you product. But this is today's project. This is so cute. It has got 2 packets of little mini love hearts in it. Very cute. These you can pick up in all sorts of places. I got mine in, I want to say the Range, but that might not be right. But I love the project because you can get 6 of these from one sheet of designer series paper. So I've got Painted with Love, and you need a piece that measures 4 by 6 inches, which is 15 by 10 centimetres. So on the long side, score it at 1, and don't jump it, 1, 2 3/4, 3 3/4 and 5.5 inches, which in metric is 2.5, 7, 9.5 and 14. Then turn it round and score it at 1 inch, which is 2.5 centimetres. So cute. This is actually the opposite side to this paper. This is very much hearts and, you know, like that. So I kind of figured, well, I might want to give my husband or my children a little treat. Less about the hearts, more about the splats with little boys in the house. So, fold and burnish, and I'm going to do a little bit of trimming. So this is the top, this is the bottom of the box where the score line is, and you just want to nick away that little skinny rectangle there, and then cut straight up these ones. Actually, I'm going to wedge a little bit out of that one, and a little wedge out there. So that's the main part, and this is the bottom. So I've just got little wedges, but it's all loose here. Right. Oh, fast fuse and free cap for my scissors. So run some adhesive down there. Hold it up, stick it down. Do press quite firmly because it is a bit of small box. Fold in the 2 sides. That's the back because it's matching my seam. So you want some adhesive here. And then grab a couple of packets of your love hearts. And as you can see, they're a great fit. 1, 2. You might get 3 in, but I don't think you would get it closed. And just pinch like that. So I've got some binder clips, although I'm thinking we have the mini birthday clips, and there is a hot pink one in there, which I think would go quite well. Yeah, that goes well because there's pink in there. Right, tiny little bit of stamping. Let me find a small piece of cardstock. I've got Calypso Coral, which goes with that one. There is a little bit of rich razzleberry around somewhere, but I want 3 hearts. Calypso Coral, Melon Mambo, can't speak, rich razzleberry, and I'm going to pick out these 3 hearts, same as I did before actually. Actually, no, you know what? I'm going to go for 2 hearts and a leaf, obviously. Why not? 2 hearts and a leaf. Right, grab some blocks. Heart there, and a leaf. Right, so Melon Mambo for this one that says Be Mine. Rich Razzleberry for this one that says Always, Be Mine Always. And then Calypso Coral for the leaf. Right, so I'm just grabbing my magnetic platform, and I've got my magnetic platform, clear plate, stamped images, and then I'm going to bring in the dies, and I think that's the right ones actually. It would be lucky if it was. Oh, it is. Perfect. Got a wibbly plate today. And then this one. And I'm not sure which leaf it is. Haven't used the leaves before. And there's one goes in one direction and one goes in the other. That's the one. My magnetic platform is playing up today. So if you've got this, there are hundreds of little magnets inside here. Give it a thump and they tend to move around. So let's have another go at that. Is that the right leaf? I think it is. Well, we're going to hope it is. Oh, they still want to jump. Not my day, is it? And then the last one. And then I can put the whole lot through the magnetic platform and hope they don't all jump around like that one has just done. I'll sort it out on the big shot. So just off to one side, you can't see me. You're going to have to trust that I'm putting everything together. Sorry. Talk amongst yourselves for a second. Oh, they all want to jump about. They're being silly plates today. Right, I'm going to pause and come back to this. Right, so hopefully, after much jumping of magnetic plates, I can splice these together, I hope. Right, oh, my little die doesn't want to play. Okay, so let me move all those out of the way, and then I can come in and get these sort of semi-lined up. The plates just didn't want to play ball at all today. Right, so I don't know where my mini dimensionals are, but I want to get these elevated up, so I've decided to cut one in half. Figured that was probably the easiest thing to do. So let's have a leaf off here, a heart there, and this heart can go be mine always. And then I just need to finish it off with some, here it is, mini tinsel. So you get a pair of this. You get a gold and a pink, and I quite like the pink. So I'm just tying a bow-ish. And then I want a mini glue dot for the back. I love mini glue dots for these. It just makes life so much easier. Because you can lift it, position it, and then position your bow. And that is my little project. Oops, that's what I was going to use. Went with those instead. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me, and I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.